what? I am completely stoked right now. Not only did I get to meet a future rebel yesterday for lunch, he bought me a nice hamburger and a nice beer. I just met Jerome for a nice bulletproof coffee. I'm totally stoked on drones right now. Drones are, man, that was awesome, Jerome. Thanks, buddy. I'm going to see Mark Watley here in about 40 minutes. Hold on, let me put the hammer down. And I tell you what, the future is ours. And I'll tell you why I believe the future is ours. Because we are the next generation. The old generation that's in charge right now is lazy and tired. And they are stuck in their ways, so stuck in their ways, they can't imagine the future that we are going to create. We know people in every facet of this industry, in every sub-trade, every technological realm. Pretty soon we'll be able to pull the trigger and make massive change happen because we will it to happen. Because we have the right connections, we have the right people in the right places. I'm super excited about where we're going to go as a rebel movement, where this industry is going to go with our assistance, with our guidance, with our leadership. And I'm super stoked that I get to drive around Southern California and meet with cool dudes. This is what it's about. This is what it's about, this connection. Yeah, we can watch videos and chat on Facebook all we want, which is good, but it does not beat getting out there and shaking hands, man. Shaking hands, making people just looking somebody in the eye. Jerome, by the way, is a tall dude, man. I love meeting other giants. I mean, it just makes me feel better as a giant that I'm not alone out there. So, two giants of the rebel movement just got together for a bulletproof coffee, and it was phenomenal. So, hope you guys are good, doing well. Did I just post this live on my own? This didn't go to the rebel group, did it? This is on my own Facebook page. Oh well, message is still the same. We own the future. We are the generation. We are coming into our own professionally and personally, and we are going to affect change no matter where we are, whether you're in insurance or not in insurance, as it were, since this is on my Facebook page, not the rebel group. But we're in charge, and we just got to take that. We got to take charge of our lives, make connections where we can, make personal connections, make real connections, and then we move in the same direction. Now I got to figure out how to repost this where I meant to post it. Have a great day, y'all.